ocean mineral on it, and it looks great.
What else did we put on it? What was in our concoction this year?
Humic acid, calcium, and nitrogen.
And
did we use humic acid?
Mentec.
Oh yeah, we used it. Yeah, I put it on.
You put it on the plant.
Yeah, half gallon.
And I'm
ocean
always
solution,
thinking
right?
when I'm putting that stuff on,
that Mentec?
I'm always thinking when I'm putting humic acid on that I'm ruining it. It just seems like after I spend all that money, it should pop up.
I can't find my doggone.
That's probably why you have Mentec left in your tote.
We have a little bit.
You didn't put it on your phone.
That wasn't on that sheet though.
But we're going to use it, when we use it when we plant this super alfalfa. And then I got a little bit of calcium left.
No.
We
burned that on number 3.
Okay, and then do I have any, and I still have a little humic acid that's a year old left.
What you want to do on
humic
that, if you're going to
right
drill
now?
alfalfa, you want to put down a minimum of 2 gallons of humic.
Okay.
I mean,
because that'll help it germinate. Yeah.
Germination and a root structure right away.
And then were you telling me I didn't want to get all the stuff off the bottom that had
sludge?
Yeah, leave that.
Leave
try to leave
That's
it.
just clay.
Okay.
But we can't mix that with anything else.
The humic?
It
It won't mix with calcium, but it'll mix with almost everything else.
It'll mix with the Mentec?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's what we'll do.
I'm always just so afraid I'm going to put that stuff in there and then I'm going to end up with a big gel pile in there.
Yeah, that's when you call Carl.
But I just, I always remember that you got to use that Mentec in with the water before you put anything up.
Right.
The water conditioner or anything.
Right. Right.
But no, I swear, and I don't have that sheet because I can't find my file folder, but that's all it called for. 20 gallons of nitrogen, 3 gallons of calcium pre-emergent on all the corn.
Right here is
the
guy you need to interview. Say that too.
Say that to him?
Yeah, for his infomercial.
I don't want to.
Yeah. I don't like a little trouble.
But no, I swear that's all it said on there for the corn. We use the Mentec on all the irrigated wheat.
There's only a few gallons left.
Well, we put some, yeah.
Yeah, but we burned a lot of it on three. But that was all part of your. That was part of the.
Right. Well,
and then remember too, I think that we were supposed to be doing system number 4, and we didn't do one.
We never did
nothing.
You got something in the row on the seed on this.
Yeah.
Okay, that would be the Mentec, the PGS, and humic acid.
No, all I put on was humic acid.
Okay, well.
In the row.
Yeah.
And then Will came along and I made him put that other stuff together with a little bit of N. Because remember our soil test came back poor.
What was the total N?
What
did we figure?
24 gallons.
3,800 gallons.
It was 24 gallons.
3,800 gallons on 90 acres.
So 20. What does it weigh? 84 pounds. On this one.
And what do they normally?
And it came out of corn.
But what do they normally? Right, when corn on corn, they recommend 400. And you put on 90.
I have neighbors using 400. And that's why we can't get them to, our cows eat the corn. Is my theory.
Yeah.
It's too cellulose. But they'll get 200 bushels.
Yeah.
See, we did the same thing here last year.
Yeah.
After it got the crap, it got it peeled off so hard it had to completely come back.
Yeah.
I wanted a nice anhydrous. We couldn't find an anhydrous. I found one though.
Well, anhydrous isn't good in gravel because your cation exchange capacity on gravel is like 3 or 4, and you multiply that times 10, and that's how much anhydrous it will hold. So if it's 3, you're only going to hold 30 pounds. So if you were going to knife in 30 pounds, it would have been fine.
Okay.
Otherwise,
well, remember that because we could do that. But just remember the idea is we're not going to have much corn left. We're switching the three. Right. These two are both going to end up in alfalfa.
After we get a good week for it.
Yeah, but we're going to plant wheat behind all this side.
Okay, so the alfalfa is going in over there. And how many acres?
That one's 130. 130. Because that's a true circle.
Yeah, tip of the river tightens up.
So I would put as much humic acid